Okay, great. I suppose we should get started because we're only 9 minutes behind. That's good. So, again, thank you so much for being here. My name is Kevin Murphy. I spoke yesterday for a little bit at the beginning. I'm the chairman of mechanical engineering. So we're really pleased to have everyone here today. And I want to start by thanking Sundar. The event yesterday was fantastic, and we're off to a good start today as well. So thank you. First of all, I recognize this is also a crazy time of year. Students are getting geared up for their final exams, right? And the faculty are kind of in the same kind of crazy mode. But everyone else is also coming in from industry. You've also got the holidays you're running up against. You're trying to get things done by the end of the year. So it really is kind of a crunch. So thank you. Like I said yesterday, I really am pretty encouraged by what's been going on, that Sundar's taken over Capstone. This is really an opportunity not simply to just do traditional design, right? He's taken this and he's aimed this towards additive manufacturing, which is really a different kind of design process. The things that you typically do in subtractive engineering or subtractive manufacturing is not the same kind of design you do in additive manufacturing. And so kind of injecting this into the program and exposing our students to this, I think does the program a service, it does the students a service, and ultimately I think it's going to do industry a service, right? Because we're going to be producing better engineers that are better equipped to go out and start contributing on day one. And I also know there's a tremendous shortfall of engineers with design experience in additive. So this really is filling a pretty important niche. I also want to, for our students that are here right now, I want to thank you. You've done a lot of hard work. I think over the 4 years, you've learned, heat transfer and dynamics and thermo and all these things, which are all very important basic sciences and technologies. But really, engineering is about doing something with all that basic science, right? It's taking all that scientific machinery and your mathematical weaponry and bring it to bear on a project, and especially on new projects, because that's what's challenging, right? Seeing something like additive manufacturing where you might not be that comfortable at the very beginning, right? It's important to take those things and kind of go into a project fearlessly and maybe make some mistakes. That's okay. You hash out the details and you keep going. So I really do appreciate what you've done this year. I actually really respect what you've done this year, so thank you so much. I also want to thank, again, our industry partners who are here today, including Cummins. They've been actually a long-term supporter of our Capstone Design Program, so they've been kind of stalwart supporters. They're just up in Columbus, Indiana, sorry. Columbia, I don't know what I'm thinking. So, but with this, every year Cummins comes and they support an award ceremony for our capstone projects. They do an evaluation, they assess the different teams, and then they present awards. So Scott Beard is here today from Cummins to do the awards for this year. So I'll turn it over to Scott. Scott, thanks.